Ndio.
So hi guys, come with me. This is your boy, Alano be the billionaire. Just doing some survey, enjoying my production. So these are my cans. Huh? I follow them. I come to see the progress, how they are doing, and I'm happy the progress is very good. I still have some few months, maybe 3 months, so that I can be able to harvest them. There is there's inadequacy of cans right now. Very few cans, and that's why companies are struggling to get cans. If I had the opportunity right now, if I want, I can sell these cans. But you know, the biggest problem with selling cans when they are not mature enough is because the tonnage is low. The tonnage is very low, so you will not get the best returns. The returns you will get, they are not very good. You see, like these cans, these ones are still growing. They're still growing. So I need to give them time, like some extra months, maybe 3 months, so that they can go up. We still have this, they're still growing. Look at this level. I can't harvest this, but there are people who still harvesting this kind of cans, which is not good for me. Like, I feel it's not good. So if I can give them time, maybe they get to this kind of level. Like this one, they grow up to a certain level. This one will give me the best return. So I give them like 3 months, they will go very top, and it will be the best harvest for me. So with that, I'm pretty sure I can get the best returns. Look, you see, like here, these ones will give me the best returns. So guys, as young people, my word has always been, how much can you be able to invest in these things so that you can get the best returns? And with the best returns, maybe you can do the best investments, because we have to strive to get the best investments out there. We have to make money, we have to struggle, but the best thing is, where are you investing? What is your investment plan? Where do you want to put your money? Because I see people putting money on Forex, and the worst part is these people are so limited with knowledge when it comes to Forex. I see people putting money in betting. I know it might be the easiest risks, but those are one of the most, what we call, there's a term we call in risk management, is called high risks, high returns. You might have the highest risks in betting, Forex. They will give you best returns, but remember, anything that is so risky, also, it means you have the high chances of losing. So I prefer farming. I'm also a techie person. I design, I create videos. So the money I make somewhere else, I drop them in the farm. I have several farms. Majority of them are cans and a few maize. So this year, I'm just majorly focusing on cans, and see how many acres I can have. And that, I know, they will give me the best returns. So guys, don't forget to follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and let's make the big brand grow, the billionaire, as always. And let's inspire the next generation. Let's make people have investments. Let's make people not to fear farming, because farming, we have inadequacy of food right now. In fact, the price of food is going up day in, day out. So the best way to lower the food production is by having enough food. We don't have enough food. So that's my word for today. And I encourage you to go and subscribe on my channel. Alano be the billionaire, the big brand, as always. And let's support the billionaire brand. Peace, guys.